Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Life Science. My name is Hasina Sayyed. In this video lecture, we want to talk about phlebotomy. The first of all, definition of phlebotomy. What is the definition of phlebotomy, or what is phlebotomy? Phlebotomy is the process of making an incision in a vein with the needles. This is the process to a scene. This procedure is known as venipuncture. A person who performs phlebotomy is called a phlebotomist. Although doctor, nurses, medical laboratory scientists are also perform the procedure of venipuncture or phlebotomy. Blood specimen collections and process is the first step is acquiring the quality lab test result for any patient is the specimen collection procedure. Blood specimens are obtained through capillary skin puncture, finger, toe, heels, arterial or venous sampling. Venous punctures, direct puncture of a vein by venipuncture. Blood specimen collections and processings have capillary, dermal skin puncture, earlobe sticks, finger sticks, heel sticks in fans, venous puncture, direct puncture of vein by venipunctures. And introductions of venipunctures. Now we are going to introductions of venipuncture. Venipuncture is the process of obtaining blood sample from veins for laboratory testing. It is probably the most common procedure in the medical field, usually performed for the following reasons. If you have the following reasons, you are perform this venipuncture techniques to obtain blood sample in order to perform diagnostic for diagnostic purpose when we are identify our diseases, to collect blood for later use should the patient's conditions require transfusion. If you need transfusion, that's we are perform this venipuncture process procedures or anything to remove that was found with excessive level of erythrocytes or iron. If we remove blood that was found with excessive level of erythrocytes or iron, then we use this type of procedure. Venipuncture equipment is tourniquet, needles, vacutainers holder, vacutainers tube, wing infusion set, butterfly needles, alcohol, gauze, bandage, sharp container, marker for tube. That's all of the things. That's the pictures. This is the tubes of phlebotomy, bandage, tourniquet. That's all of things. Venipuncture procedure steps are explain the procedure and purpose of for the patient, assess the patient physical disposition, that is diet, exercise, position the patient sitting or lying, never allow patient to sit upright on a high stool or standing due to the possibility of syncope. Check the requisitions form for request test, patient's information and any special requirement when we are sitting phlebotomy seat and we are doing the process of phlebotomy venipuncture procedure. These steps you are follow this type of steps. These types. Venipuncture process steps have the 5 steps. This is select a suitable site for venipuncture, prepare the equipment, the patients and the puncture site, perform the venipuncture, collect sample in the appropriate. While the tube fill, remove the tourniquet, label the collection tube at the drying area, immediately send the specimen with the requisition to the laboratory. Order of draw. Blood collection tube must be drawn in a specific order to avoid cross-contamination of individual between tubes. Vacutainers blood collection tube is a sterile glass or plastics tube with a closure that is evacuated to create a vacuum inside the tube, facilitating the draw of a predetermined volume of liquid. That's all of the order of draw. The recommended order of draw for plastic vacuum tube is order of blood draw. These pictures have the color, tube and uses. In blood culture used for microorganisms, you have the glass bottles that you use blood for microorganisms. That's blood culture. If you done the procedure of blood culture, that's you have to take the samples and enter the bottles. And sodium citrates is sodium in sky blue colors have the sodium citrates. They use for coagulation tests, PT and PTT, partial thrombin plastic times and prothrombin times. That's B, PT and PT. That's dry terms here. This is the PTT and this is the PT. Non-additive chemistry, immunology, serology and blood bank. There's a red that's a clot tube, clot activator gel. SST is a chemistry, endocrine, serology, immunology. They have the found in SST is they have not SST. And sodium heparins, ammonia heparin, lithium, PST is the genetic variants, added chemistry, EDTA hematology cross match, ACT DNA pattern testing, fluorine XRD. That's all of the testing. It's line diamonds and that's all of the testings are here. Specimen may be rejected for the following reason: unacceptable specimen. There's a patient's name or file number discrepancy between specimen label and request form. There is no patient's name or other unique identifier on specimen. Specimen is too old when received. There is apparently no specimen container. The expiration date of transport medium has been exceeded. The practical part for you: trying to drawing of blood sample from your colleagues. And you have any questions, please comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.